we're going to be doing a Pretty Little Thing. Oh, I feel like Pretty Little Thing has the best packaging for a fast online brand, because look, their bags literally have like a shopping bag and then it's branded with their stuff, obviously. I love it. It's so cute. It's so pink and it's recyclable. Now, if you're in Jamaica and you're watching this, just know that everything that you order on the outside of the packaging, so if you're shipping with a company in Jamaica, they're going to know exactly what you bought and how much. But the good thing is with a Pretty Little Thing, they put the value as the sale price. If you're from Jamaica, shop sale items from Pretty Little Thing and keep it under $50 so you don't get charged an arm and a leg. Anyways, let's get into this, because I'm like, oh, this whole time I was like walking with the bag. I was like, so like, oh my gosh. I shopped with Pretty Little Thing for years, because when Fashion Nova first came on the rise, like back in those days, Pretty Little Thing was going on the rise along with Boohoo, right? And Pretty Little Thing was a little bit on the more pricier side. You guys can't even lie. And so I was like, one day, and this is when I was working 9-to-5 jobs, like low minimum wage, low end minimum wage jobs. But look at it now, I can actually buy their stuff. This is not a partnership, girl. I didn't even know that I bought shoes. I can't believe shoes fit in here. I'm gonna start buying more on Pretty Little Thing over Shein, because whenever they have sales, it's like you can get a top for $2, a bottoms that pair with it for like $4 or $3, and I'm like, ooh. So I don't see anything wrong. Let's start off with their footwear, because I don't even remember that I bought footwear. Wow. I don't know about you, but whenever I'm watching unboxings, I want to see every little thing. So they have a dust bag. This is Pretty Little Thing. I shop on Shein way too much that like I get frightened for stuff like that. I'm like, oh my gosh. Okay, so this, I remember, like, I keep on talking about this, like back in a few years ago when Pretty Little Thing had their sale on footwear. It was still like a lot of money. It was like $50, and I was like, so now that I can actually afford their footwear, I'm actually shook at. Anyway, so it's Pretty Little Thing. They sent me the wrong size. I did not get size 7. Like, I don't wear size 7. I was wondering, I'm like, this is looking a little bit small. My order, view order. Yeah, I put a number 42. Why would they send me 7? Gosh, I only paid $6 for these shoes, but they should have sent me my, unless this like a size 7 UK is a 9 in like the Western world. Let me see. Wait, I think it actually fits. It actually fits. My toe is a little bit hanging off. Like, look. This is what it's giving. It literally just fits. I would need like a size up more. So it just fits. Those are kind of hanging off of it at the front. But yeah, I think it actually just fits. So I would have to wear like a size 8 UK. But this is hot. It looks like I can only take a Instagram photo in it and then give it to someone who it would fit. They sent me my size, but it just fits too perfect. Oh, let me show you guys both of them at the same. Did I even show you guys properly? So it's supposed to be like a thong. Yeah, it's hot. This is really random, but if you're from Jamaica, because I'm living in Jamaica, like one thing that I really hate is that we can't even get affordable things to buy to ship down. Because do you see how that heels was $6? If I was in Canada right now, if I was like just staying in the US, but if I was in Canada right now, and I literally would have just went on the website right now or the app, and I would have bought so much more heels for that price point, because obviously it went on sale and they're selling it for that price. But I can't do that for Jamaica because they're going to charge me my whole life savings. Okay, so we're going to get into all the clothes just to clear them. I bought a few sets because they have some hot stuff. A lot of the things on the website was Y2K inspired. So I was like, oh. And I wanted to go out my comfort zone with tops as well. So this is the first one here. So it's like an olive green. I forgot to tell you guys, I am 5'7" and I weigh like 120 something. I haven't really weighed myself yet. And I wear a size small in almost everything, right? But I'm gonna tell you guys what size. So this is the olive faux leather plunge crop top in 10. So USA 6 and UK 10. So I did not know what my size was on this website, because whenever you go to the measurements, it's saying like 32 bust. And I was like, I don't know my like, I don't think the average person knows like what their bust is and stuff. So I'm actually, a lot of the sizes here are all different, and whatever fits me in this haul, I'm gonna use that as a guiding point to shop from Pretty Little Thing from now on. Wide enough for it to fit, and then there's stretch to it. But it's very beautiful. Like, let me show you guys how it, yeah, look at that color. It looks amazing. And it's full leather, but it's not like the tacky Shein full leather. So on Pretty Little Thing, I was like, let me try out these jeans, these trousers, these pants, and they're a dark chocolate full leather, dark pocket straight leg trousers in 8 UK size. And I told you guys, I don't know my size, so this might not fit me. And I don't think there was review photos. So yeah, a UK 8 and a USA 4. But I liked it. Look at the color. I want to start wearing some other things in a straight leg, and you can pair these with heels. Like, even the white heels that I have on, I can probably get away with wearing them underneath it if like my heel is covered. So it feels really good material. I like it, love the color. All right, next thing that I got is, let's see. I actually got quite a few stuff, and my total was only $50. So I got this mini skirt. I have a bum, so I don't even think this is gonna cover my buttocks. But it was supposed to be low rise. So petite brown contrast bodycon mini skirt in the size 8. It's supposed to be low rise, like giving Y2K, like showing off your flat stomach. It's supposed to show off that. So, but my bum is, I have a higher bum, like high set bum. So we'll see how this looks, but it's cute. It's abstract, it's different, and it's giving me something different than what I would normally wear. But I love the colors. I don't know why I have so many of these colors in this haul here. Don't ask me why, but I'm pretty sure I bought majority of what I wanted, because as I said, they would charge me my whole life savings to clear it. So this is the tan full leather extreme lace up mini skirt, and this is in the UK size 10. So this is kind of giving medium. It's not really giving small, it's giving medium. If it does that, I can tighten it with the straps at the side. But this is beautiful, like beautiful. Like beautiful. This is a rich chocolate brown. Oh, Pretty Little Thing is for the girlies, man. If you want to be hot, that website has it for you. It's a top. So this is very thin and cheap, but I wonder how it's gonna look when I put it on, because it looked good on the model. Obviously I'm not gonna wear any bra with it. This is how it looks. Focus, baby. And it's supposed to be really, obviously really crop. Stone faux snake skin buckle detail. Yeah, I was gonna say it's giving like stone as well, but I was like, why would they have that as like inspo? It's very thin, like super, like it looks like they just cut it out with material and sewed the sides, and that's it. All right, next one here. Okay, this was another snake skin inspired, and this was literally not intentional. So it's a black cutout top dress, actually short dress. Snake skin inspired. Let me give you guys a close-up so you guys can see the quality of it. And it is the shape black embossed cutout faux leather body skin. So full leather. And this says, treat me good, color may run. Oh, because it's so fake. So UK 8, USA 4. I hope this fits me, but this is, yeah, it will fit me. But it's like really hot. The front, it crosses. All these pieces are nice, man. Except the one that short top that I saw. I don't know what that was about, but these are nice. Oh yeah, I'm so excited to wear this. Okay, so this is the shape chocolate brown satin mesh panel lace up ruched body and number 6. Oh, this is fire. Yep, I like this. Oh, this is hot. Why do I have so much browns in this haul? I don't know, but this is hot. Pretty Little Thing, you guys are gonna see me again and again and again and again. I'm done with Shein. I'm literally gonna go back on Pretty Little Thing from now on. Wow, this is beautiful and the quality is amazing. See, this is why I need to like explore what's out there more, because I don't know why I was living on Shein so much. I know because I used to work with them, but still, like, there's so much better out there. Next, is a top. Ooh, yes, I saw this on Shein as well. So it's supposed to just cross up at the front of you, and it's supposed to give you push up, but obviously it's not because I thought it was more thicker quality at the front, and it has a zipper. It's really cute. Simple top just to pair with like jeans, a skirt, and it'll look good. So this is the black underbust strap detail crop in the size 6. Yeah, when it says underbust, I thought it was supposed to lift, but it's not lifting, unfortunately. I was like, let me try this out. It's supposed to give very fun, flirty, summer day type of vibes. It's very see-through, but it's kind of lined at the same time. So that was the top, and this is the bottom. It's cute. And then you're supposed to pair it with high heels. Listen, I would give Pretty Little Thing a 10 out of 10. This is the purple snake printed mesh split hem detail mini skirt and top. I would give Pretty Little Thing a 10 out of 10. I think you guys are going to see more hauls on my channel. It may not be a dedicated haul, but it might be a haul within vlogs because I really like their stuff. And the top I got in a size 8. So they're calling it the puff sleeve. That is it for today's haul. Let me know what you guys think about this haul. Love Pretty Little Thing. Going to be doing more with them. And let me know what you guys think. Like, share, comment, subscribe for more. And if you guys want to see more of me. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Au revoir.